Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Soft Server. In this video, we will be discussing about how to easily complete a Microsoft quarterly requirement in every quarter. Just like as you know that in our every quarter, we have to complete some task if you are really want to continue the Microsoft Student Ambassador program, right? So there is a some quarter challenges is there. So this is a Microsoft Ambassador program handbook page, in which page there is a mentioning all each and everything like what you have to do to complete your quarterly challenges. Each and every quarter is a 3 month, and in this 3 months you have to complete the any one task. This is a, pathway activities. In the this is a community influencer, community builder, and startup advocate, and AI project event host. So you can choose any of one of them and you have to complete the task. Just like you are choosing the community influencer path, you have to complete it the 125 preferred visitor. Like if you are becoming a Microsoft ambassador, then in the previous time you have followed the all the requirement procedure. Similar types of procedure are there, okay, but you have to make sure each and every quarter you have to complete that quarterly requirement, right? So in the community influencer you have to complete 125 preferred visitor, and in the community builder you have to complete 500 net new modules, right? In our startup advocate there is a 7 founders hub acceptance applications are there. But apart from that, I'm just mentioning the easiest way to complete the quarterly requirement. The easiest thing is the event, okay. You have to just organize the event in which you just have to at least 50 candidates, okay. So in this event you have just creating the event, and you can see that there is a date is mentioned like quarter first is there, July 1 to September 30 September. This is the quarter 1, then quarter 2, then quarter 3, then quarter 4. This is the quarter duration is like this, okay. So each and every quarter you have to complete your quarter requirement challenges, okay. So I'm just taking the easiest way. This is the event, okay, in which I'm just hosting any challenges related to the Microsoft, and multiple topics are Microsoft mentions on their website. So we just go to the MS team in which we have to create a one event, right? So in which MS team we are going to the calendar section, in which calendar section you can see there is a new meeting options are there, right? So we can select the new meeting, okay, in which we have to decided the time and date durations of your events, right? So suppose that in today is the 12th April, so I'm just setting the date is 12th April, right? And the ending date is there, the timing is there. Suppose I'm just starting the event on a 9 p.m. in the night, and my event duration is it would be around 1 hours or 30 minutes. It's depend on you, right? In this title you have to mention your title, okay. So I have already written the title, so I'm just copy the title and pasted it, okay. So this is our title, our event titles, and this is our descriptions, right? So I'm just putting the description. So right, our duration, our starting event starting date is there, event closing date is there, event starting timing is ending timing, okay. And if you are all in all day, so I'm just organizing the event in a single one day. That's why I'm choosing the one, okay. Online meeting is there, so this is complete setup is there, okay. So after that you are just clicking the save button, okay. When you clicking the save button, you just wait few minutes, and after that you just come to the again in that particular pages, and you have to see that your right. So you can see that your meeting is showing on that team, okay. So in the 9 p.m. You can see that this is our meeting, this is our meeting URL. So you can just copy the meeting URL and you want to share in your community. So this is a simple procedure. You have to complete the enroll in our meetings, okay. So after that what you do, you have to first thing you can choose any topics regarding the topic is also mentioning on that website. So right, you can see that this is a multiple topics, you can choose any one of them. Right now you can create the event on related to the any topic, any one of them, right? So you can create events on a Microsoft Power BI, Microsoft Teams project, and whatever if Microsoft Startup Foundation Hub. So whatever the topics, you can choose any one of them, and after that you can, according to the topic, you can create the event, right? So after that, when we select the topic, then we create the event, right? When we create the event, then we have to, when we completed the meetings, right? When we completed the meetings and we share the meetings links in our communities and people are joining into the meetings, okay, then we have to fill the form. Okay, after the finishing of our event, then we have to fill the form. Okay, this is our event form. So in that event section, there is a add event options is there, so in which we have to fill the, like, our titles. So our meeting titles, so this is our meeting title. So just simply we just put the meeting titles, and simply we have to also put the descriptions, the durations, all informations as you mentioning on the team meeting. You can just clicking the same things, right? So just like we are choosing the student format, just like this is a online format type, this is other type in which you can choose the any technologies, in which technologies you have creating the events, right? So you can select any one of them. So after that, what do you do, what you have to choose the timing, the starting date, the ending date, the starting timing, the meeting starting timing is there. So you have also choose the same timing, what timing you have also mentioning in the MS team, right? So I'm just choose the 9 p.m. in the night of meeting. So this is a 9 p.m. and the event closing time is yeah, this is a closing time. Event URL, you have to paste the event URL. You can see that in that sections, in that section, this is our event URL. So you just copy the URL and you have to paste the URL. Okay. And one more things, when you creating, when you hosting the event, when you hosting the event, and when you are just hosting the event, at the times of, at the time you also have to record the whole meetings. Okay, after the recording, you can just download, just like I can show you something. In these sections, I have earlier, I have also hosting one meetings, as you know that this is our topics, in which when you completed, when you completed your whole meeting, then you can see that this is attendees, this is the video, this is a recording video. Okay, so you have to download the video, you can upload the videos on our Microsoft platforms, and after that Microsoft Drive, and after that you can paste the URL, right? After that you can paste the video URL. Okay, then what, which skills you can getting from that event, so you can choose any one of them. Okay, whatever, it's all about depend on you, and how many peoples are visiting, how many peoples are just joining your event. So you can just put the information, because at the time, as the informations, you can get the informations from the attendees. So number of attendings, how many attendees are coming into your meeting. So you can getting some informations from your team. So like this is a 68, so you can mention the 68, right? So after that, you have to submit the approval form. So when you when you completed the meetings, when you completed the meeting, after that you can complete these forms. Okay, and you have to get mails in our approval mails from the Microsoft, right? So this is a whole procedure. Through this whole procedure, you have to just complete the Microsoft quarterly requirement. This is the easiest way to complete your quarterly. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful for you, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you guys, all the best, have a nice day.